How to troubleshoot Snapchat not updating on iPhone. Sometimes you may face a problem of Snapchat not updating on iPhone. To solve this problem, you want to go to the App Store and open it up. Now go to the search bar and search for Snapchat. Once you entered this screen, you want to go ahead and check if the blue button is open or update. If the blue button says update, you want to go ahead and update it. This might solve your problem, and if not, then next thing you can do is you want to go to the settings. After you entered the screen, you want to scroll down until you find Snapchat, and then you want to tap on Snapchat. These are the facilities that Snapchat has been using, for example location while using the app, and then contacts, photos, Bluetooth, microphone, camera, Siri, insert, and notifications. The next thing you can do is you want to go back to your home screen. Then what you want to do is you want to keep on holding on this app, and then you want to tap on minus sign, then tap on delete app. Then again you want to tap on delete, and your Snapchat will be deleted. And what you want to do is you want to reinstall Snapchat again. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.